Good morning, dear parents and students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, first, in today's class, I will just give you a review of your yesterday's homework. The last homework page was page number 34, and let's have a look of few questions. Look at the top question. Put tick for greater and cross for lesser. Greater means big, lesser means small. So let me take one example. What can you see? Yes, these are beetroots. Here 3 beetroots and on the other side 2 beetroots. So remember the question, we have to put a tick for greater. Which is greater, 3 or 2? You're right, 3 is greater, so put a tick, and 2 is lesser, you will put a cross. Since the question asking for tick and cross both, we are putting both. If the question is asking only tick, you will put tick only. Let us have one more question. What are these? Yes, these are cubes. Okay, look like square. Square 3D shape is known as cube. Here 1 cube, other side 1 cube. They all are equal, right? These two are equal. Now students, neither this is greater nor that is lesser. So we will not put any sign here. Leave both the boxes. Next question is, fill in the box with the right symbol. This is greater than symbol, this is less than symbol, and this is equal to. Let me take this line question. Students, if I write 1 to 10 numbers in a line, then the numbers which are on the top are less, the number which are at the bottom are more. So let me compare 8 and 8. As you can easily find, they both are same. 8 and 8 are same, so we will put a equal to sign. Next is 7 and 6. Where is 7 in this line? Yes, and 6 this. As I told you, the number which comes down is greater, the number which comes up is smaller. Since 7 is greater, we will open crocodile's mouth towards 7. Look at another question, 4 and 5. Where are 4 and 5 in this line? 4 and 5. 5 is down, it is greater. 4 is up, it is smaller. So crocodile will open its mouth towards the bigger number. This is how you will do this question on page number 34. Let us move forward to our new topic, that is increasing and decreasing order. You will find this topic on page number 35. What is increasing? Increasing means small, then big, bigger, then biggest. That is increasing. बढ़ते हुए क्रम में, right? Increasing order. That means if numbers are given to us and we have to arrange numbers from smallest to biggest, छोटे से बड़े में उनको हमें arrange करना है, then in this number line starting from 0 to 10, we have to write the smallest number, then big, bigger, biggest. So let's have a look at the example, book example. 4203. Point out these numbers in this line. 4 is here, then 2, then 0, and then 3. These 4 numbers are given to you. Okay, students? Now we have to find the smallest number. The number which is at the top is the smallest number. 0. They have written 0 first. Then 2. Then 3. And after 3, 4. So this is how increasing order is written. Let me take one example. 4275. in this number line, let me put a tick towards the given number 4, 2, 7 and 5. These are the 4 numbers. Now students, which is the smallest number? The top one, 2. So we will write 2 first. After that 4, after that 5 and at the last 7. I hope I made it clear students. This is increasing order. छोटे से बड़ा, smaller to bigger. Next topic is decreasing order. You will find this topic on the next page, that is 36, biggest to smallest, बड़े से छोटा. Let us have a look at the question. Example, we have to arrange the numbers from biggest, बड़े, to smallest, से छोटा, बड़े से छोटा. 8, 3, 4, 2. First point out 8, 3, 4, 2 in this number line. 8, 3, 4, 2. Now we have to write the biggest one. Okay? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया biggest सबसे नीचे होता है. 4 डॉट्स आपको दिख रहे हैं, जो सबसे नीचे है वो बिगेस्ट, सबसे बड़ा है. 8, 4, 3, 2. Look at the answer. 8, 4, 3, 2. Let us do one question. 6, 8, 0, 7. Where are these numbers on this line? 6, 8, 0, 7. Now we have to write from down to up. 8, 7, 6, 0. So what is your answer? 8, 7, 6, 0. Understood? Rest of the questions is your homework. Everyday maths, very interesting questions are given to you students. Let's have a look. Numbers around me. You may find many numbers around you, in your body, in your toys. Let's see. How many fingers do you have? Students, now raise your hand and then count your fingers. How many? 10. So write in words T-E-N, 10. Second question, how many wheels does a car have? Have you seen a car? See, I have drawn a car for you. You will say, ma'am, only 2 wheels are visible, right? But if I show a car to you, this is how a car looks, right? Police car, 2 wheels on this side and 2 wheels on the other side. So 2 plus 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many wheels does a car have? Write in your good handwriting the number name of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The last question is, how many wings does a bird have? Have you ever seen a bird? Yes. How many wings does it has? 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O-2. Students, I hope you all have learned the spelling 1 to 10. Okay? So in the next class, we will discuss about few more questions on chapter 1. Till then, take care.